How to use OpenAI Codex in ChatGPT. If you want to write or understand code faster, OpenAI Codex inside ChatGPT is your new best friend. Codex powers the coding abilities of ChatGPT, and it's built right in if you're using ChatGPT Plus with GPT-4 Turbo. To get started, simply open a new chat and select GPT-4. Then just type a prompt like write a Python script to resize images in a folder, or explain this JavaScript function step by step. Codex understands over a dozen languages: Python, JavaScript, C++, HTML, and more. You can also ask it to debug code, optimize logic, or convert code between languages. Pro tip: if you enable the code interpreter tool aka Python, it can even run and test code inside ChatGPT. In short, using Codex in ChatGPT makes you code smarter, faster, and with fewer errors. Like and follow for more AI-powered coding guides.